Today we learn about a variation. There are two types of variation. The first one is direct variation म्हणजे समचलन. If two things are goes in a same proportion, then that can be called a direct variation. For example, if the rate of a notebook is 15 rupees, then the cost of 3 notebook is 45 rupees. म्हणजे एका वहीची किंमत 15 रुपये असेल तर 3 वह्यांची किंमत 45 होणार. म्हणजे वह्यांची संख्या वाढली म्हणून त्यांची किंमत देखील वाढली. देन दिस कॉल्ड अ डायरेक्ट व्हेरिएशन. Using mathematical symbol, it can be written as a x varies y. Okay, and if x varies y is written in the form of equation as x is equal to ky, whereas k is a constant. म्हणजे के हा स्थिरांक आहे आणि केची व्हॅल्यू काढताना एक्स अपॉन वाय म्हणजे एक्स भागिले वाय केला की आपल्याला केची किंमत मिळते. For that, we take an example. If x varies y directly, then the value of x is 5 and value of y is 13. Then the 5 is equal to k into 30. So the k is equal to 5 upon 30. So 1 upon 6 is the constant, that is the value of a. म्हणजे के हा स्थिरांक आहे, त्याची किंमत काढताना समचलनात x छेद y असं लिहिलं जातं. The another variation is a inverse variation. The statement x is inversely proportional to y can be expressed as there is an inverse variation in x and y. For example, 5 workers done a work in a 12 days, whereas 10 workers done same work in a 6 days. म्हणजे 5 कामगारांना तर एक काम करायला 12 दिवस लागत असतील तर 10 कामगारांना फक्त 6 दिवस लागतील. म्हणजे कामगारांची संख्या वाढली तर दिवसांची संख्या कमी झाली. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड इनवर्स व्हेरिएशन. इन मॅथमॅटिकल symbol they write as x inverse variation 1 upon y. Okay, and the equation of that is k is equal to x into y, whereas k is a constant. For example, if the p inverse variation q, p is equal to 15, q is equal to 4, then what is the constant? The constant is xp into q is equal to k. So k, the value of k is 60. So that is direct variation and inverse variation. You have to solve the practice sheet given below.